Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by going into settings and scrolling all the way down to access, safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts and tap on add contact. Now tap on the one that you wish to add and do exactly the same to all the other ones that you wish to select. If you wish to delete one of them, click on this icon next to the chosen one, in my case this one, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, all of my contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!